everybody, thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's Day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. I was torn between what kind of look I wanted to do this year, but I've been dying to use the new Resi palette and of course my palette in another video, so I figured let's do some like Barbie pinks, a little bit of purple, and this is the look that I came up with. I absolutely love how it came out. So by the time you guys are seeing this, it will be Valentine's Day. I have an outfit picked out for what I'm wearing for dinner. It's my first Valentine's Day with my new boyfriend, so I'm so excited. I'm not sure where he's taking me yet. It's a surprise. So I'm very excited, but even if you don't have any plans and you're just staying in, try out this look or just sit down and put some makeup on. It's very therapeutic and it's fun to just go a little crazy and try bright new colors. So I hope you guys love this look, and if you want to see how to get it, then please keep watching. How cool does my palette look? Ooh. So to start off today's look, I'm using the Carli Bybel palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am picking up the color Bear. I'm using a Sigma F70 brush to apply that. And this is gonna go on the inner half of my lid. I'm also extending this all the way out to here and up. I want to make it like a cut crease for this look. I'm then going in with the color Chai and my Sigma E40, and this is gonna go right into my crease. Then grabbing the color Cindy, that's just gonna go right above that shade. And I'm dragging that into my nose contour. With that same F70 brush and the color Cindy, I'm then gonna apply that right on my lid and blend it in to the Bear shade. Ooh, I'm so excited to be using the Resi palette. How cool does it look? I have used this before off camera and the colors are amazing. I am grabbing the color Semsa, this like matte purple right here. It's such a beautiful matte purple. I feel like I've never seen a color like this. And I'm grabbing that with a Sigma Blending E25 brush, and that's gonna go right on my outer V. I'm also applying a little bit on the outer third of my eyelid as well, and then I'm blending it into my crease.
I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait a million years.
Going back to my palette, I'm grabbing the color Stev, and that's going right above that shade in my crease.
Until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real.
Grabbing my Sigma E35 and a little bit more of the shade Bear, I'm going back in
We can play our favorite song.
and I'm just cutting the crease.
All night long with you I feel something. 'Cause we're both so unashamed when I play.
Going back to my E40, I'm grabbing a little bit more of the color Chai, and I'm just gonna blend again, just to make sure it all blends together nicely. And I'm dragging it out a little bit past my brow. For liner, I'm using the Better Than Sex. It's my favorite at the moment.
Playing any games.
For lashes, I'm using the Double Up 113s. These ones are my favorite, and they're really lightweight, and I think they look good with every makeup look, so these are literally my go-to. I feel like I use them in almost every video, but they're amazing. While the lash is drying, I'm grabbing a little bit of the color Yugo, just like a tiny, tiny bit, and I'm just gonna apply that right on the outer crease, just to darken it a little bit more.
I found a star in you.
For my lower lash line, I'm grabbing the color Cupcake, This is gonna go right on the inner half.
Always guiding me to where my words are true. I've waited
And with my pencil E30 brush and the color Semsa, I'm putting that right on the outer half. I'm going back in with a little bit of Cindy, and I'm putting that right below the purple. Then with the color Barb, the shade right here, how gorgeous is this? I am gonna be applying that right in my tear duct and like up towards the cut crease. Look at that, oh, it's so pretty. To highlight under my brow, I'm grabbing the color Bali. So next for mascara, I'm using the Lash Warrior. And I'm just doing a little powder under my eye to do bottom mascara. I'm putting some white liner on my lower lash line. You could do black or white. I like to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. While we're letting the lashes dry, I'm gonna highlight my nose, why not, with the color Bali. So I did my own Valentine's Day nails. Aren't they cute? And then I put a little A and T, my boyfriend's initials, on my nails. I got these stickers at Michael's, and the rhinestones are from Michael's, and then the little gold heart stickers are from Sally's Beauty. So first I'm gonna go in with lips. I'm gonna mix a couple of my shades. I'm using Luna first, and I love this shade just to kind of add dimension to the lips, make them look larger. I'm then going in with Bybel, which is more of like a pinkish nude. And I'm going right underneath that color. I'm then grabbing Serious, also from my collab. And this shade's perfect because it's gonna give you a little bit of color, a little bit of that pink to match on the eyes, but it's not gonna be anything too heavy that if you wanna kiss your Valentine, it's not gonna end up all over your face or super hard to reapply it. So originally I wanted to do like a look with red lips, but I figured it wasn't realistic to Valentine's Day, as much as I do love a good red lip. I'm going back in with Luna. And I haven't decided if I want to do a matte or a gloss. I think I'm gonna do gloss, but first I'm going to bronze up my face with the Waka Waka bronzer by Il Makiage. So I just posted a how I contour and highlight video. So it's my exact routine. For anyone who's wondering how I did my face routine, that is the exact routine I have been doing and what I did for today's look as well. I was not feeling well the past couple of days, and it's annoying. Like, I feel like I'm getting sick a lot lately, and it's really not normal. So I was at the doctor again today, and she gave me something for like acid in my stomach. I've just been having like a really bad like stomach pain like right here. So yeah, I took one of the pills and it did help me, so I'm hoping that that solves all the problems. But I really wanted to get up a Valentine's Day look, so I'm fighting through the pain right now, so don't mind me if I'm not in the best spirits ever. But I really wanted to get a Valentine's Day look up. You guys know I do that every year. So for blush, I'm gonna take the NYX palette. It has a couple different shades, so I figured I would mix a few together. I'm gonna start with this one and this one, and a little bit of the deeper burgundy. So I'm gonna try a little bit of the gloss. I feel like, why not? This is the Supernova gloss, also from my lip collection. Yeah. And this is just gonna go in the center on my Cupid's bow. It matches like that purple I did underneath my eye too, so I think it looks really pretty. So I don't know if you guys can see, I got this cute little necklace on Etsy with my boyfriend's name on it because I'm like such a creep. But no, I thought it was like so cute, so I had to grab it. I thought it was perfect for Valentine's Day. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so cool. I just realized I used my Carli Bybel palette. I used my lipsticks, my glosses, my liners, and I'm sitting here looking at my phone, which is also my phone case that I designed with Velvet Caviar. So these are available for all the new iPhones for anyone interested. I will link all of this below, but it's really surreal to be able to like do a full makeup look using all products that I've created and I love. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope everyone has an amazing, safe Valentine's Day. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.